Okay guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use a Roblox support ticket. So here's what we have to do. I just have Roblox open on my phone. I'm gonna click on more here in the bottom right corner. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select help and safety and then violations and appeals. Now it's perfectly fine. Here's where you get the support ticket. So we just want to click on it. And here's what it's going to look like. So the first name is not something mandatory, so we can skip it. It's optional. But what's really important here is that we supply our email address. So we will have to type out our email here twice. So the same email. And here's what it's going to look like. So also, what device are you having the problem on? We will need to select the device which we use to play. So for example, let's do iPhone. And it's going to ask for type of help category. Once we click on this menu, it is going to show us all of these options here. So we have technical support, we have delete my account, we have gift cards, how to, DMCA, bug report, billing, account hacked, all of these options. So for example, let's do billing and payments, and depending on which option you choose, a new menu will appear. And here you can supply extra information. So for example, my purchase was declined. And right here in the last field, we will need to write a description of the issue. So here's where you type out freely what the issue is. Now make sure you follow proper punctuation and all of that jazz. Try to be sort of professional because you are going to be talking to people. So keep it civil. And after you have typed out your issue right here, you will just click on continue and you will receive a confirmation email on the email which you have supplied here, on the email address which you have supplied. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to reply to that email. You just have to wait for an actual person to get in touch with you, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.